After broadband light treatment to the face, there's really not much you need to do. It's a non-ablative treatment. I would recommend following a good skincare regimen, a medical grade skincare regimen, as well as wearing sunblock every day and wearing hats and sunglasses whenever you can to protect yourself from ultraviolet rays. Make sure the sunblock has broad spectrum UVA and UVB coverage, and that is pretty much all you need to do following a broadband light treatment to your face. Keep in mind that sometimes your red spots and brown spots will look worse immediately following the treatment because it turns those red spots and brown spots black. So what looked like faint pepper under your skin can look like dark pepper under your skin temporarily, and then your body will clear that pigment away and expose whatever pigment is underneath, if there is any additional pigment underneath. So don't be alarmed if your spots look worse temporarily following the treatment. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.